What's up, guys? JB at Staxx and Packz. We are on Contenders 2-box. Pick your team number 2. Thank you guys for filling it. Appreciate it very much. All cards do ship for your teams. If you do not get any cards, you will get a pack of just some random packs, ship sealed. Alright, here we go. Good luck. 2 autos per box. Another redemption. I almost showed it on the back of the back of the pack flipped. Another redemption in this box. I have to check the release schedule again, but what my plan was, geez, why do they put the autos on the back? I don't like that. My plan was if Phoenix football comes out next Wednesday still, I was gonna do that on Whatnot. I don't know if it still does or not. They've been pushing stuff back, so I'll have to check and see. I was going to do Phoenix football and some other stuff, though. Okay, here we go. Good luck. Number 1. Contenders box here. Hey, nice. Cade Cunningham for the Pistons. Lottery ticket. Very nice. That's going to go to John T. Nice hit, John. We have a 140 out of 149 first round ticket of Ben Simmons. For the Sixers on that one. And Scotty Barnes, lottery ticket for the Raptors going to Stephen Carter. For the Wizards, Bradley Beal, Sweet Shots. That is going to go to Justin Cleveland. We had a Scotty Barnes redemption to 49 finals ticket. We have a nice Kaminga from Elite Orange. That one was to 210. James Bouknight, Rookie of the Year right here. Sadiq Bey Gold debut from Fast Break out of 10. Not anything like super big, but Lottery ticket of Franz Wagner for the Magic. That's going to go to Josh Gentry. No, I have 3 of them behind me, though. I put a mixer up, and I don't think I sold one spot on my own site. I don't think anybody bought into it. If you want to buy a personal, you can. They're not on the site, though. I didn't have time. I only got 3. They're right behind me. Orlando Magic. Penny Hardaway. Anthony Hardaway. Sweet shots. I put like a playbook, encased, and rookies and stars up. I don't think anybody even bought a spot. To 49, Wendell Carter Jr. Finals ticket for the Magic. That is 21 of 49. Wendell Carter Jr. The encase looks way better this year than it did last year. I only got to watch like a couple smaller breaks. Hey, Josh Giddey. Forgot about him. Joshua Giddey for the Thunder. But from what I've seen, the encased looks way better than last year. Rookie of the Year, Jalen Green for the Rockets. Andrew Adams. Can't stand this guy. Jason Preston. He's all over the place. For the Clippers. Autograph. Going to Zach Easterwood. We do have a redemption. Good luck. Who the hell is that? Scotty Lewis. I don't even know who it is. Looks like he's on the Hornets. He was on the Hornets almost the last pick of the draft. The Hornets, that's going to go to Scott H. I've never heard of this guy. That is not cool. For Contenders, it's not cool. And it's just a base auto. Alright, it's not cool. We're going to need a better box 2. Let's go. Well, I mean, yeah, for you, for $17 or whatever, yeah. That was nice for you, but I mean for that box, oh man, can you imagine if you opened that as a personal for 600 plus? Oh no way, I would be ticked. But for $17, cool. But if I paid $600 for that box, it'd probably snap. Yeah, I mean, this is supposed to be like one of the more, I mean, the better products or the on-card autos. You're looking for those top guys and stuff. I just don't understand how you pick number 56 as a redemption. That's terrible. Usually redemptions, by the time you get to these products, are for some of the top guys who couldn't make the, you know, their autograph cut by the time they packed out. That's just ridiculous. I would have just been like, nah, you can't sign your card. Pick 56. You're not even going to be in it. You're out. We do have. Oh, I thought we had a premium. That's a die cut. Here we go. Let's see what we have. We have. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sweet Shots, Chris Middleton for the Bucks. See some cracked ice. Haven't seen any cracked ice yet. Forgot about. Oh, we got a throwback. Is that an auto? Sweet Shots Rozier. Who's this? Al Adels to 199. San Francisco Warriors. So yeah, the Warriors with the hit. It's weird. Warriors. Jake Brown. Legends auto. The lottery ticket of Zaire Williams for the Grizz. Grizzlies are Andrew Adams. The die cut is Trae Young for Superstar for the Hawks. That's going to go to Ryan B. Jonathan Kuminga, Rookie of the Year for the Warriors. Jake Brown. There you go. There's a Domantas Sabonis for the Pacers. Sweet Shots Ray Allen for the Thunder. Contenders is rough. It's always a rougher product. It's more base, but you do have. It is one of the more higher end products as far as what people want of guys' rookie cards. the on-card autos of the higher rookies. This is one of the bigger products that you want. Jalen Green lottery ticket for the Rockets. Which is weird because they've never loaded first off the line on Contenders. Anything Contenders, they've never done that. So that was weird. Kyrie Irving foil. I tried to get some of it, but it sold out higher than I thought. I think it went for like $650 or $680 a box. We got lottery ticket Mobley, but I didn't know it was gonna be like loaded like that either. Nobody did. Oh, we have. Oh, let's go. That's sick, dude. Ant-Man, baby. It's not a rookie, but it's a final ticket. 14/35 for Cole G. Boom, son. Wow, that's nasty. I like that card. That's sick. 14/35. It is on card. That is awesome. Nice hit, Cole. I don't know if you're watching, Cole, but I will put this in a sleeved up magnetic for you. That's nasty. Ant-Man is one of the dudes that I have a lot of nice stuff of his that I've been holding on to. This is nice. It does have a couple dings on the corner, but on the top right corner on the front and back, it is a little bit dinged up, but it's not that bad at all. Damn, that's a nasty card. Trey Murphy, Rookie of the Year, with the Pelicans inserts. And on the very back, first round ticket, Kemba Walker to 149. Well, two vets, but one of them's a finals and it's on card and it's of a decent guy. So I mean, I think that box was better than the first box. That had two rookies in it that are both trash. Okay, Jerry, are you here? Jerry, if you're here, let me know if you care if I do Brent's Prism draft picks real quick. It'd probably only take like 2 to 3 minutes to do it. then I can do your wrestling right after that. Then I'll go to Brian Brown's personals, unless somebody else wants to order. I do have encased. I don't have it on the site. I have 3 boxes of encased football. Or if somebody wants to buy a Contenders personal, I don't have those on the website either. But I will sell them. I will sell some personals. I don't think he... Jerry, are you even in here? I don't think he's in here anymore. I don't know. All right, pick a box. I think I have 5 up there. Give me a number 1 through 5 for the Prism draft picks. 1 through 5. All right, let me stop this video real quick.